In this video, we're going to go through how to multiply powers using a shortcut called Exponent product rule. Before we get started, let's be sure we know what power refers to. Let's take 2 times 2 times 2 as an example. We have 2 multiplied by itself 3 times. Therefore, we can simplify it and write it as 2 to the power of 3. 3 in this case is the exponent, whereas 2 is referred to as the base. Together, raising the base number to an exponent, that is called power. Now that we're clear what these terms refer to, let's see how we can easily multiply powers. As mentioned earlier, we're going to use a shortcut to multiply powers. Say we have a to the power of x multiply with a to the power of y. When both bases are the same, we can add up the exponents. So we have a to the power of x plus y. This is called the exponent product rule. Let's look at an example. Say we have 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 4. In this example, a is 2, x is 3, and y is 4. Since both bases are the same, all we have to do is add up the exponents like this. So we get 2 to the power of 3 plus 4, 7. And that works out to be 128. Now, how can this be applied to chemistry? Let's look at this conversion question. Convert 375 km to meter. I'm going to set this question up using dimensional analysis. I'll link the video on the top. We start by writing out what's given, which is 375 km. Then we multiply and draw a line across. Since we're getting rid of kilometer, so we need to place kilometer at the bottom, so that they will cancel out like that. And because we're converting to meter, then we'll place meter on the top. We know that 1 kilometer is equals to 10 to the power of 3 meter, so we will place 1 next to kilometer and 10 to the power of 3 next to meter. So we can punch in the calculator and get the answer directly, but let's just say you want to get this done without calculator, and in fact you can do it faster using the product rule. Let's write 3.75 in scientific notation, which is 3.75 times 10 to the power of 2. And then we also copy down the 10 to the power of 3. We leave 1 out at the bottom because it won't make any difference. The base a is 10 in this case. The first exponent x is 2. And the second exponent y is 3. We apply the product rule, so we simply add up the exponents. And we get 3.75 times 10 to the power of 2 plus 3. Simplify it, and we get 3.75 times 10 to the power of 5 meter. This can go very fast once you're used to doing it. To recap, when multiplying powers with the same base, simply add up the exponent. I hope this video helped you out somehow. Do subscribe, and thanks for watching.